Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is going to be a haul from Shoppers World and a very small thing from Dollar Tree. So first, let's get started with Dollar Tree because I only bought maybe like 3 or 4 small things. Okay, at Dollar Tree, I picked up a whole bunch of new socks. They got these cute socks. They're white and it's got like these little pastel colored hearts, and then this nice one with the stripes. So I picked this up for myself. And then also at Dollar Tree, I picked up these cute little socks. It has a koala bear right here. That's pink and gray. And then these are just white with pink stripes. Cute little socks. And then I decided to pick up these again. No, I didn't have these ones. This is a black one with little donuts all over it. I thought it was kind of cute. It's got donuts. And then you get the white and simple with the stripes again. And then the last thing I picked up at the Dollar Tree was these cat socks again that I had before. And the gray, black, and white striped. So that's what I picked up at the Dollar Tree. So I picked up 4 things of socks. Then for Shoppers World, I picked up 2 little Lux bars of soap. So I picked these 2 up at Shoppers World. And then I picked up 2 simple, cute little chemise nightgowns. It's got the little, the little strap, the little V-neck. They're really cute. And this is the white one with rainbow butterflies all over it. And it's long and flowy. And really cute. It's like a sleepy, cute nightgown. So I picked that up at Shoppers World. And then I picked this one up at Shoppers World. This one has roses all over it and hearts. Really cute. And it's got the little bow right here. Same thing. Little V-neck. And little straps. So I got that little chemise nightgown. And then I picked up this big, cute, nice and clear umbrella with the white handle right here. The white hook. Looks like that. Really nice. And it's see-through. It's like a clear plastic. So I picked that up. Thought it was cute at Shoppers World. And the last thing I picked up was this big, beautiful 3-piece mirror picture. It has like sayings on there, like about God and love, and how to have strength to pray. And it's just beautiful how they have like the flowers designs on it. It's really, really nice. So I picked that up at Shoppers World. And that's basically it, guys. That's it. That's all I got at Shoppers World today. And Dollar Tree was the socks. So anyway, thanks for watching this quick little haul. And I will talk to you guys later on again. Have a good day. Bye.